What do you think, guys? You finally get to eat your gingerbread house.
Uh-oh.
What you got, Alex? What are you eating?
Candy.
Oh, I know that, but what kind?
Cotton candy. For me.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy jelly.
You're gonna be bouncing off the walls here in an hour, I bet. You okay? Kurt, Alex, you alright? I think so.